We make 15 models of air purifiers, and I can use any air purifier I want in my house. And this is the air purifier that I personally choose to use, and I want to explain to you why I believe it's the best choice for air purifiers in your home as well. We call this the PurePro 200 Tower, and it's really the state-of-the-art in portable home air purification. In order to understand why I believe that the PurePro Tower is the best air purifier for your home, you need to understand a little bit about air purifiers and how they work. Now, most air purifiers have a mechanical filter. You've probably seen them. They're called HEPA filters, and they're very, very dense fiber, paper, and plastic-based filters, and you basically blow air through them with a very, very powerful fan. And they mechanically remove particles from the air, just like a strainer will remove particles during food preparation. But the difference is these holes are so small that you need a very, very big fan to move the air through those filters. And what that means is that the fans are very, very noisy. And most people don't like that much noise in their environment, so what they do is they either don't use them, which results in the air not being purified at all, or they run them at a low speed, which means that you're not getting the full effectiveness out of that air filter. Also, HEPA filters get plugged up with particles, and usually after 6 months they have to be replaced, and that can be very, very expensive. The PurePro does not use traditional HEPA-based filters. It uses an electronic filter, and I'm going to pull it out now and show it to you. And this electronic filter is exactly the same technology that is used in commercial office buildings to purify the air, that's used in central home air purification systems, and is also used on things like atomic submarines. They all use this same type of purification, so it's not something new. It's some very, very stable technology, but it is new to home use. And the way it works is there are wire electrodes that put a positive charge on the air, and then these plates, these purification plates, actually are negatively charged, and then they attract the airborne particles like a magnet. And it's extremely effective. This air purifier has a similar level of effectiveness to a HEPA tower type filter that you might see at your store. But as you can see, there's lots of space for the air to move through on this unit, and what that means is you don't need as big or powerful as a fan to move the air. And what that means for you, practically speaking, is that you have a much quieter air purifier. In fact, this air purifier works at 3 speeds: silent, rapid clean, and boost. And it's your choice. On the silent mode, you can barely hear it operate, or if you want to have very, very rapid air purification, you can run it on boost. But even on the boost setting, it's quieter than the low speed on a HEPA air purifier. And just to show you how really effective this air purifier is, we've been running this air purifier just in normal use in our office for about a month, and we have a normal environment at our office, not particularly dirty air. And yet, this is just after a month of normal use, and I'm just going to take my finger and run it over the collection blade, and let's see what happens. Okay, so you can see how much dirt and grime and dust this has been taking out of the air in just 1 month in our office. And I'm sure you would agree with me that you would rather have that dirt on these collection blades than in your lungs. So with the PurePro Tower, you genuinely will never have to replace the filter. There's a light on the top that lights up when it's time to clean it. It'll just tell you it's time to clean it. Simply open it up, take it out, and the great thing about this is you can just wash it in your sink, or it's even dishwasher safe. So you just stick it in your dishwasher, I'll let it go through the dry cycle, and when it's completely dry, you just put it back in the machine. Some of the other great unique features of the PurePro Tower is not only is it quiet, but it uses a fraction of the power that other air purifiers use. A similarly powerful HEPA or HEPA-type air purifier might use 4 or 5 or even 6 times as much energy than the Pure Pro Tower uses on its highest setting. Even on its highest setting, it uses about as much electricity as a 20-watt nightlight would use. So really, this is a very environmentally friendly, safe way to purify the air in your home. If you're an allergy sufferer, and I know there are plenty of you out there, the Pure Pro Tower is perfect for you. The Pure Pro Tower removes all types of allergens and pollutants like pollen, dust, dander, smoke, odors, and germs. And you want to have a safe, healthy home for your family. If you want to have a product that not only protects your family but is healthy for the environment and that won't disturb your environment because it's virtually silent, then I highly recommend the Pure Pro Tower to you.